Are you getting mail on your iPhone but not on your Apple Watch? This usually happens because of sync issues, notification settings, or account problems. Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to solve the issue where mail comes to your iPhone but not your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Make sure to turn off Do Not Disturb mode on your Apple Watch, and also make sure to turn off airplane mode. And finally, make sure to log in same email on both Apple Watch and iPhone. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow these solutions. Solution 1. Change Apple Watch notification settings. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch, tap Notifications, scroll down, make sure to enable Notifications indicator, and then scroll down again. And again, make sure to enable Show Summary when locked as well. Solution 2. Turn on Notification on iPhone. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, tap Notifications, scroll down, tap on the Mail app. Here, make sure to select Mirror My iPhone. Solution 3. Allow notifications on iPhone. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Notifications, scroll down again, and find the Mail app. Tap on it. Now simply toggle on the Allow Notifications option. Solution 4. Reset Sync Data. Grab your iPhone, open the Watch app, now tap on General, then scroll down to the bottom, tap Reset. Now simply tap on Reset Sync Data. Hope your issue is solved now. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tips and solutions. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.